Hello everyone, this lecture is on anterior complex of fetal brain under fetal neurosonography. This topic will be covered under the headings of the technique of scanning, sonographic anatomy of anterior complex, development and anomalies, the Cavum vergae, pitfalls, biometry of anterior complex, abnormal anterior complex and anomalies, associated anomalies, prognosis of each anomaly, and counseling, appropriate counseling of the couple regarding the anomaly. All this will be covered under this under in this lecture. And in abnormal anterior complex, in the form of absent anterior complex, abnormal morphology of the cavum septum pellucidum, abnormal size of CSP, absent septum pellucidum, collapsed cavum septum pellucidum, distorted anterior complex, and dysmorphic frontal horns as shown in the schematics on the right side. All these will be covered in detail in this lecture. If you'd like to listen to this lecture, please log on to sonoshare.in and go to the lecture anterior complex under fetal neurosonography. Thank you.